First thing first, you want to wash your client's hair with shampoo and conditioner as usual, or like I always say, after that you go ahead to dry the hair with either hand dryer or wall dryer before you moisturize with a hair cream of your choice. After washing, we just section the hair in portion because I want the braids to be in line, so I'm just using my tail comb to section the hair. Once I'm done with that, we'll still go ahead to subsection the hair into smaller sections, putting this part into a pony just so that it doesn't get in the way while I'm trying to box braid or while I'm trying to style this other part, this other smaller portion. Once I achieve the quantity or the portion, we just start to attach the hair extension to the hair, to her natural hair, and I'm doing this like I'm doing like a box braid, or I'm doing a box braid while attaching the extension. After attaching the extension, we just take a little piece of the hair from the same portion of extension to just start threading it. This is so that it can hold, or this is so that the hair can be framed, and also so that it will look neat since her hair is natural and her hair type is 4C. Once I'm done with that, we'll just go ahead to separate the extension and her hair, that is the tip, into like 3 different portions, 2 big portions by the sides and a small portion in between, that's in the middle. It's the small portion or the small amount of extension that is in the middle that I'm going to be using to box braid the hair. First, we'll move the small portion from the top of the left hand side extension down to the bottom and then bring it back to the middle. And then next, we'll just take the same piece of hair, that's the small portion, and then take it across to the right hand side extension and then bring it back to the middle. We'll continue like so until I get to the tip of the hair, and after that we'll just go ahead to tie a knot to secure it. But anytime I feel or I notice that the hair extension, that's the small amount or the small extension, or that I'm running out of the small extension, we just go ahead to take a little extension from any of the parts of the big size extension to just continue braiding like so. In Nigeria, we actually call this hairstyle zip braids. So hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Hope everyone is doing good today. Thank you so much for always tuning in anytime I upload any video here. Thank you so much for always watching any video I upload. I really appreciate it, and I just hope that I'm impacting knowledge. Hope you are learning from this channel. Please, if you are new here, just go ahead to click on the subscribe button to join the family. Just click and join. Give the video a big thumbs up and do not forget to share to friends and family. I also like to see your comments about what you think. I would also like to see your comments on what you think about this hairstyle. Please, you can leave it in the comment section below. This hairstyle can be done on both children or adult or teens, but for children it's preferable to make the hair in like either 4 portions or just 5 portions, just big sizes. So children that are like about 3 to 6 years old, it makes them look very smart, makes them look smart. So I do like to make, let's say, 4 or 5 portions of this particular hairstyle on their head. But if you want me to film a video on this particular topic, you can leave a comment in the comment section below so I can film a video of what I'm actually talking about. So we'll just continue like so until I get to the tip of the hair. For this style, I'm using color 35 Xpression product, and I cut the extension into cut 3 and cut 4. Cut 4 at the back and then cut 3 in front, because cut 4 is shorter than cut 3. And even with the fact that I actually cut the extension into like cut 3 and cut 4, it still looks short. So if you want the hair to be longer, you want to like cut the hair into like maybe cut 2 and then other cut 2, or you don't even cut the attachment at all. That is if you want the hair to be longer. because for this short braid it actually took me about, let's say, 3 to 4 hours to complete the whole hair. So yeah, if you want the hair to be longer than this, I think it will take up to like 5-6 hours probably. I don't know, maybe if you are faster than me it might take a shorter period of time. And for this style I actually use only one pack, so one pack of rich braid Xpression products was enough. At this point will just allow you to continue watching the video so that I don't interrupt with my voice, and so that you guys will get to see the process and just understand what I'm doing. So for the side, I'm doing what we call Ghana braiding here in Nigeria, which is also known as feeding cornrow. And for this part, I will also want you guys to just watch, because I'm not going to be explaining, because I want you guys to just watch and understand. Fire close to the hair, and then burn the tip, and immediately use my hands or my fingers to just, press it down. Before pressing it down with my hands, I actually dipped my hand inside hot water first, inside a cold water